Molweni, Gamalami Ululu Kelembe, the Deputy Chairperson of the ATM Youth League. Like I've promised yesterday, namhlanje inkonzo yethu, and all our leaders are here. Masingeneni siyodumisa sive ukuthi basiphatheleni.
Abazana labantu wena udlule kancane iyahlaba namhlanje bayabuzana wena udlule kancane wena udlule kancane wena udlule kancane amayabuzana labantu wena udlule kancane baba wena udlule kancane iyahlaba baba
Kuti izweletu Kaba mhlope
Siyabonga bakwethu.
Thank you very much, beloved.
Baba,
My father,
baba wami,
my father,
Chief Apostle,
Chief Apostle,
kanye nabo bonke abefundisi abakhona
to all reverends present today,
nebandla lonke.
and the community at large.
Angiqale ngokuxolisa ukuthi
Let me start by
Ngifika
apologizing that
xesha selimukile.
I have arrived late.
Ndiyabona uba nokho sendilixhego.
I say that indeed I
Okay.
am aged.
Sendihamba ntotoba ndingasheshi.
I'm walking slowly.
Kodwa ke ndivela uba ndifike nokho inkonzo iphakathi.
But I'm happy that I arrived in the midst of the church still going on.
Ndiyafisa
I wish
ukuthi njengoba sila
that as
eKapa.
we are here in Cape Town
enkonzweni
and church,
sisendaweni ebaluleke kakhulu.
we are at a very important place.
Indawo enomlando omkhulu.
A place with great history.
Kanti kunamahemhem ukuthi kukhona abafo abafuna ukuyithatha
There are rumors that there are people who want to take it away,
bayenze ibe omnye umhlaba.
they want to make it its own land.
Lonto ke nokho ayisonwabisi
That does not
kuba
make us
lizwe
happy,
lethu leli.
for this is our country.
Xa sifuna inkonzo sizapha sazi uba sisezweni lethu.
When we want to hold a service, we want to come here knowing that we've come to our country.
Kodwa ke siyazi uba umhlaba solokhu wanyakaza kudala.
We know that the earth has long been moving
Ngezizathu ezininzi.
for many reasons.
Kalokhu izwe lakowethu lathathwa ababefika kwelizwe.
Our own land was taken by visitors in this country.
Bathatha yonke into
They took everything.
basenza saba izimpula kalijaqa.
They made us poor.
Sahlupheka thina nje emnyama.
We suffered as the black nation.
Kodwa xa sidibene ngohlobo sibane ngohlobo
But when we've gathered in unity like
sithetha
this,
noThixo
speaking to God,
sicela uba asinikezweni nathi inkululeko yethu.
asking that we be given our freedom.
Sekukudala ke
It's been long
sithetha sicenga uba ake sibe ngabantu nathi ezweni lawo baba bethu.
that we've been speaking, pleading that we be considered in our own country.
Kodwa kunzima.
But it's difficult.
Okhokho bethu
Our forefathers,
abefundisi
reverends,
namakhosi
and the royalty,
badela konke bathi asifuneni inkululeko yethu thina umuntu omnyama.
gave up everything and say, let's go in search of our freedom, we the black nation.
Baqamba inhlangano yesizwe esimnyama
They formed a organization of the black nation
ukuthi sonke
that all of us
sibe mnye
be united,
silwele izwe lakowethu.
fighting for our own land.
Sekube iminyaka eminingi ke
It's therefore been many years
silwele lenkululeko.
fighting for this freedom.
Siza emacaweni sizocela kwabasiphetheyo
coming to churches to ask
ezweni
from those who are governing us in the country.
kanye nabefundisi abakhulu nabaphakathi nendawo nabakhulu kakhulu
Even to great pastors in the community.
kwenzeka likhulu ke kuba sadibana nabantu abanamakhanda aqinile
It happened that we came across stubborn people.
ndiyazi kuba siyakhumbula lento enithetha ngayo nithetha ngalombutho wethu owawuqanjwe ngabefundisi namakhosi bethi sifuna izwe lawo ba omkhulu
I'm talking about this political
kuba
party
siyahlupheka
that was formed by reverends and kings saying we want our own land for we are struggling.
indaba yenhlupheko ke
The issue of suffering
inembali enkulu
has great history
kwabasiphetheyo kuba njalo
to those who are in charge for all the time.
siye sahlushwa
We were
senziwa amakhoboka
persecuted and made slaves
senziwa konke
and done everything.
kwenzeka okuningi kwelizwe
A lot has happened in this country.
kwafikelela khona lapho okuye kwacaca uba umuntu omnyama kufanele abanjwe afake ejele etolongweni
Time came where it became clear
Uma
that
elwela
the black
inkululeko.
person had to be incarcerated for fighting for freedom.
thina ke sikholwayo asikwazi ukungayithethi lembali kuba imbali esicelelayo uba kunento kufanele basiyenze sizikhulule emakhamandeleni
We, the believers, cannot not talk about this history, for it's history that we need to tell so we can free ourselves from slavery.
kuba singabantwana bakaNkulunkulu
For we are children of God.
siyakhumbula bakwethu ukuthi
We recall, beloved, that
inkokheli zethu
our leaders
zabanjwa
were arrested
zabekwa ityala ukuba ukufuna inkululeko lityala
and found
eSouth
guilty
Africa
of searching for freedom, for it was declared criminal to search for freedom in South Africa.
bagwetshwa ukuthi mabasuswe emhlabeni ngapha baziswe kulomhlatshana omncinci lapho lwandle okuthiwa iRobben Island
They were condemned and sent to Robben Island.
inkokheli
Leaders
ezazi nakho konke okubonisa ukucela ukuthi nathi asibe ngabantu abakhululekileyo
were pleading that we be free people.
thina esikholwayo
We, the believers,
sithetha njalo ngamacawe ukuba Thixo yiba nathi
speaking every Sunday that God be with us.
inkokheli zethu zahlala lapha esiqithini
The leaders dwelleth in the island
ishumi leminyaka neminyaka esihlanu
for 15 years,
beboshelwa ukuthi balwela inkululeko yomuntu omnyama
arrested for fighting for the freedom of a black man.
kwakubuhlungu ukuba ngumuntu omnyama eSouth Africa
It was painful to be a black man in South Africa.
amadoda ayengabantu abaholi bakwenyani benziwa amakhoboka
Men were true leaders were enslaved.
kodwa laze lafika ixesha lokuthi hayibo umuntu akacindezelwa lokho
But time
kwathiwa
came,
bakhulule noma babegwetshwe intambo kodwa kwathiwa hayi intambo ukuhlala etolongweni forever
that a man may not be persecuted for a very long time, that they needed to be freed from the prisons they were sent to.
kwathiwa hayi likhululekile izwe lakuwethu.
It was said this country is now free.
Khululwa inkokheli
Leaders were released.
kwathiwa kube khona ingxoxo phakathi kwethu besulela inkululeko nabacinezeli.
It was
Kube
said,
khona ukuvelana ukuthi sizohlala ndawonye.
it was said there should be discussions among our persecuted and us who are fighting for freedom that would coexist.
Kwathiwa kuthethwe ukuthi sawuphila njani na.
It was said, let there be discussions regarding how we would live.
Nyani
Indeed,
sasesikhona nathi sesiphila sasikhona apho.
we were still alive,
Kwaxoxwa ukuthi
present in those
nyani
discussions,
sikhululekile ngoku.
that indeed we are free now.
Na njengoba nangoku kuthiwa sakhululeka.
Even though it is said now we're freed.
Kodwa okuye kwabonakala uba akwenzekanga.
What became clear that did not happen.
Kule kwethu ayiphelele. Njengabantu abamnyama.
Our freedom is not complete as the black nation.
Sisahlupheka.
We are still suffering.
Yaye ekuhambeni kwexesha
Along the time,
sadibana nokuthi thina kanye esithi siphethe izwe
we came across,
kodwa sesiyaphuma endleleni eyayibekwe ngobabamkhulu.
we find ourselves that even though we're in charge of the country, we veered off the track our forefathers gave us.
Kwahamba kwanzima kakhulu.
It became very difficult along the time.
Kwangabe kusahlukana nokuthi sisacinezekile ngoba sisacinezekile kakade.
It was the same as if we are still suffering, for we are still oppressed even now.
Thina sikholwayo sathandaza sicela kuThixo kuba Thixo yiba nathi.
We the believers prayed, asking God to be with us.
Kwanyanzeleka ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ukuthi sibone ukuthi la umbutho wethu obuwenziwe ngabokhokho bethu kulesikhululeke sihlangene basihlakaza abacinezeli.
It became compelling that the party which was formed by our forefathers that walk in unity was destroyed by our oppressors.
Xa sithetha nje namhlanje
As we speak today,
sihlukene ngendlela ezininzi.
we are divided in multiple ways.
Lento yenze ukuthi sithi hayi mawethu
This has therefore led us to say no.
inhlangano yethu ebisihola
The party which
isikhokhela
leading us
phumile endleleni.
has now gone off the track.
Kwacaca uba ayikho into esizoyenza kunyanzelekile uba sithathe enye indlela siqhubekele phambili.
It became clear that there's nothing else to do but to take another way and move forward.
Sacela kubefundisi ukuthi sikhulekeleni esizokwenza kube impumelelo.
We ask from pastors to pray for us so that what we are going to do be a success.
Kuthe ngokuhamba kwexesha
Along the time,
sakha inhlangano yokulwela inkululeko umkhonto wesizwe.
we formed the MK party.
Yona esicinge uba yona ezosikhipha apha kule ngcindezelo.
Through which we thought it is the one that will take us out of this oppression.
Nyani
Indeed,
sithe xa sicela kubantu bakowethu
when we asked from our
ukuthi singena odabeni lokugqibela
that we are-
lokukhulula umuntu omnyama,
that we are now entering the last fight to free a black man,
Sesiqeda unyaka ngoku
It's been years
sikwenzile
now,
lokho
having done that.
nenyanga awukapheni iminyaka emibili
It has not been 2 years though,
kodwa
but
okubalulekileyo ukuthi
what is important is that
abantu bakowethu
our people
bayivile lento esimemezelayo
have heard that which we're talking about.
ukuthi sifuna ukukhuleka ezweni lakowethu
That we want to be free in our own country.
lokho kusho izinto ezininzi
That means many things.
njengoba selokhu thina abantu abamnyama salilwe lizwe kusukela kudala
As we long been fighting for this nation as the black community,
ndicinga uba esikwenzayo ngoku
I think what we are doing now
kudlula konke sesike sakwenza ngaphambili
is far much more than what we've done before.
into okuyiyona esinikeza amandla
What gives us
nokuzimisela
strength and commitment
ukuthola indlu emnyama ihlangana
is fighting the black
andazi noma
house
siyibuka
united.
ngokufanayo na
I'm not sure if you look at it the same.
emaxesheni amaningi sibulela inkululeko
In most of the
sifuna
times,
ukukhululeka
while fighting for freedom, wanting to be free,
kuyaqala ngqa
it's the first time
ukuthi sibe baninzi ngohlobo esithi ixesha lethu lifikile
that we are, as much as we're saying the time has come,
akusekude
it is not
libuye
far
izwe lakowethu lize ezandleni zethu
from us getting back our own land.
ndifuna ukubulela inkokheli yethu esiholayo kuleli bandla
I want to give thanks to our
Chief
leader
Apostle
who's leading us in this community, the Chief Apostle.
uyasilida
He is leading us.
ukhuluma noThixo
He speaks to God.
ukhuluma nezingilozi
He speaks to angels.
uthetha noYesu
He speaks to Jesus.
futhi khulula abantwana bakaNkuluNkulu emakhamandeleni
He says, free the people of God, the children of God from bondage.
ishintshile into
It has now changed.
ishintshile into
It has now changed.
iyahlangana indlu emnyama
A black community is uniting.
nongaboni uyabona manje
Even the one who does not see now sees.
kuba asikwazi ukucinezelwa oko
That we cannot be oppressed all the time.
uyabona xa sidibene ngohlobo
When we've gathered this way,
sithumela umyalezo omkhulu esizweni sezwe lakowethu naseAfrika yonke
we are sending a
ukuthi
strong
ixesha
message
lokukhuleka kwethu lifikile
to the country and the Africa at
inkululeko
large
isezandleni
that our
zethu
time to be free has come. Freedom is
akekho
our-
yosisiza siyosisiza thina
Nobody is going to help us, but we're going to help ourselves.
naxa sisecaweni njengoba siyela ngoku
Even when we're at church, that's
asikwazi
what we are now.
ukungayithethi le
We cannot
kuba
just speak about
senziwa
this,
amakhoboka ezweni lobaba bethu
but we're made slaves in the land of our forefathers.
siyabulela
We thank you,
kukheli yethu
our leader,
ukuthi usikhombele le ndlela
that you've led us
Ukuthi
in this
asikhululeke.
path, that we be free.
sidele konke
We've lost
sifuna izwe lawo baba nomcebo
wanting
wakowethu
the land of our fathers and its riches.
xa sisecaweni
When we're at church
singathethi ngalokhu
and not speak about this,
ngabe asikhulumi inyani
we will not be telling the truth.
inyani ithi sisahlupheka thina
The truth is that we're still suffering.
kodwa bayibusa abafika ezweni loba umkhulu
But those who arrived at our forefathers' land are still ruling.
akekho umuntu ongacindezelwa oko kuze kube sekugqibeleni
Nobody can be oppressed forever till the end.
kufanele sithandaze
We need to pray.
kufanele sikhulume
We need to speak.
kufanele ukuthi sicele abantu ukuthi asihlanganeni sibe munye
We need to ask people that we unite and be one.
basenzele into elula ke ngoku
They've done something
kuba bathe
that they said
xa kuyiwa okhethweni
when we are approaching elections.
abaninzi abantu ibona bayophatha
Many, the majority will be the one ruling.
leyo nto ngamanye amazwi yayisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi nibaninzi nina abantu abamnyama kulelizwe
In other words, this
kwinani
man God was
ukhetho
saying,
niphatha izwe
you
lenu
are the majority and
ingehlula
represent this
thina ke xa singayiboni lonto
country. Win elections and take charge of the country.
ukuthi uThixo uthe hayibo bekani phansi ikhali
If we don't see that, God said,
votani
let's put
nithathe
down
izwe lenu
arms and start and vote and take over the country.
xa singayiboni lonto
If we don't see that,
ithethe enye into
it says something else.
ingakho sithi nje emnyama ihlangane
Hence, we said the black community must unite
ukuthi sithathe amandla ethu okuphatha izwe lethu
so that we take our strength to rule this country.
lokho kuumthetho kaNkuluNkulu othe abantu abakhile endaweni yakhe abahlale babuse bangahlushwa
It is the commandment of God that people of a country must rule over that country and not be bothered.
ndithethe lento kokuba ndivuya gqithi xa ndibona into esiyenzile
I'm saying this for I rejoice so much when I see what we've done.
okuhlanganisa umbutho wabantu
Uniting
kanye nebandla labantu
an
leli
organization of men and the community of men.
ngeke nakancinci
It will not happen.
sehlulwe ukuthola inkululeko yethu kule game
It will not happen that we're unable to get our freedom this time around.
kuyovuka nokhokho bame ngenyawo
Even our forefathers will resurrect
kovuka
and
ingilozi
stand
zime
up.
ngenyawo
Angels will resurrect and stand up.
akubalulekile ukuthi sicinge enye into ngoku
It is not
asilwe
important
asibulalani
that we think
sizovota
anything else. We're not fighting, we're not
sithathe
killing
izwe
anybody.
lethu
We're going to vote
sithathe ukubusa kwethu
and take
sibuse
over our country and rule.
xa bakwethu ngoba singamakholwa thina
As believers that we are,
kubantu esihlangana nabo noma yimaphi nathi sihlala nabo noma yimaphi kufanele sibatshene ukuthi lifikile ixesha lomuntu omnyama ukuthi aphathe izwe lakhe
when we meet with people whom we stay with, we must tell them that time for the black men to take charge of their own country has come.
andiboni uba singoyisakala bakwethu
I don't think this will defeat us.
ubani owayicabanga ukuthi ecinga ukuthi
Whoever thought
singahlangana ngalendlela esihlangene ngayo
we would gather the way we have now.
phezolo
Yesterday,
inkokheli bezilapha sithetha
leaders were here speaking
kuhlangene thina
in our own gathering
sisonke sinto enye
together as one.
singahluleka kanjani
How would we be defeated?
izimpi kudala zaziliwa nasemnyakeni emidala
Wars used to be fought in the
abanye
primitive
besuswe
times.
endaweni zabo besuka kwezinye indawo
People will be moved from their places to others,
kodwa bathi sesibuyele ekhaya
but they say we are now going back home.
abakholwayo bayayazi lembali
Those who believe know this history.
ayikho into ehlula abantu uma bethi sifuna lento eyiqiniso into kaNkuluNkulu.
There's nothing that can stand against the will of people who are saying want the truth, that which is the will of God.
Sithe kwenye inkonzo sihlangene sathi
We said in this other church,
siyalithatha izwe.
we say we're taking this country.
Akube into esishumayelayo le.
Let this be what we
Sikube
preach.
nentshumayelo kaThixo na yonke
Mix
into
with the preaching of God
sicele
in
kwabadala sicele
Ask from
eyingilozini
the elders and
ukuthi
ask
ixesha
from
lifikile.
angels that time has come.
noma kuphina
Wherever it is,
nasemakhuleni amadala
even in all the corners,
xa icela uNkulunkulu wayewanikeza amandla
when they will
Ngeke
ask,
angasinikeza
God will give
amandla
us
nathi.
power. God will grant us the strength.
ukuthi asibuye izwe lobaba libe sezandleni zethu nomcebo wobaba usezandleni zethu
That's what
nombuso
we claim.
wethu ube sezandleni
The
zethu.
land of our father, the riches of our father, and the wealth be in our hands.
Ngicela mina makholo ukuthi
I'm asking you, the
noma
believers,
silala noma
that
sivuka
even when we sleep or wake up,
sibuke kuThixo
let's look up to
ukuthi
God.
Thixo ibanathi
And
sipha
say,
amandla
God be with us. Give us
njengoba
strength
wabapha abanye abaholi eminyakeni emininzi
as you
eyachithayo
gave the other leaders
Ixesha
many years ago.
lifikile.
Time has come
ukuthi sifuna ukuliphatha lelizwe
that we
lethu
want to take charge of this country.
akuyona into nje siyithetha
It's not just what we're
thetha
saying.
ngoba sithi ixesha lifikile.
It's what we're saying because the time has come.
Ngifuna ukunibonga ke
I want to thank you,
makholwa kithi
our
ukuthi
believers,
ukubheka enkosini sithethe nawo sithi Thixo
that looking up to the
sikhulule.
Lord and say, God, free
nabanye
us.
basho
The others
wabakhulula
said the same thing and he freed
nathi
them. We
uzosikhulula
also is going to free us.
ngoba noma singakhuluma sithini
For even if we may talk,
kodwa uma singakwazi ukuyisa uchaba lwethu olwasukelayo
if we can't defeat our own enemy,
mhlawumbe sothi siyaqhamuka kwabangcwele bathi laba bayabenjani lapha
when we come or visit the holy, they'll say, what kind of people these used to be?
ufuna ukubonga kakhulu ukuthi
I want to give thanks that
ngiyathola ithuba into esibusa ngoku noma sithandaza
what we are
ukuthi
praying for
ayiphele inhlupheko kumuntu omnyama
is that let's end poverty in a black man.
indlu emnyama ayibuphane
Let
ibenye
the black community come together and be one.
ayikho into engasoyisa bakwethu
There's nothing that can defeat us.
nasebunzimeni
Even in difficult
abaninzi
times,
baphumelela ngoba babezimisele
many succeeded for they were committed.
uThixo makasincede
May God help us.
kokheli yethu
Our leader,
sithembele kuwe
we have trust in you.
thembele kuwe
We trust you.
thembele kubafundisi
We trust the pastors.
kuba asahlehli ngoku
For we are not retreating now.
ngeke zina kancinci
We want even a
ninzi izinto
little,
ezenzeke kuthi njengoba ndisho nje
There's a lot
mina
that happened
ndiva
to us.
ngendaba ndandiyikhona esiqithini
I'm not being
Ndahlala
told
i-10
the
years
story.
yonke.
I was in Robben Island for 10 years.
siboshwele ubali ukuthi sifuna inkululeko
We're incarcerated for wanting our own freedom.
ndake ndahamba ndalishiya ilizwe
I once left this country.
shumi leminyaka neminyaka emine ngemva kwalokho
For 14 years after that,
silwela lenkululeko
fighting for this freedom.
mhlawumbe abanye abantu bangathi hey uyakhuluma lokuba wayegangile waboshwa kwasho kwavutha kwasala amalahle
Many would say I'm speaking for I was in trouble and got incarcerated.
mina lo
I,
kulelizwe sithi sikhulekile kulo
in this nation in which we say we are free,
ndiye ndathathwa urhulumente lo
I was taken by this
lo
government, this government in which I was,
ndingenatyala
without any wrongdoing.
bandifaka entorongweni
They threw me in prison.
kwacishe kwabhubha abantu
People nearly died.
into eyenza ukuthi ndibone uba ndiye lapha etolongweni
which made me
ndandithi
to go.
andisindise abantu bakithi abazophinde babulawe
I went
ngoba
to prison to save my people,
thina siyabulawa nje noma kanjani.
for we are just killed no matter how.
Kwasha amajaji
Judges said,
into ebuhlungu kakhulu yokulwana jaji lalikhipha isigwebo
the most painful,
laliwumama
the judge who
lathi
handed
kuba
down the
uZuma
judgment.
akafuni ukuyenza lento
as a woman.
asimbophe noma ngabe
Said
umthetho
if
ungavumi
The
siyambopha.
former president doesn't want to do this, let's arrest him,
Inkululeko ke leyo
That is the
okuthiwa
freedom.
sisi kuyona
in which we are told we
yilento
are.
ethi asilwele izwe lethu sokuthi sikhululeke.
Hence we say, well, let's fight for our country so we may be free.
Sihlangeneke manje thina
We've
thina nje
gathered
emnyama
as
and
a black
siyahlangana
community.
zonke insuku
We gather all the time.
solithatha izwe labawo
We'll reclaim our father's land,
noma kumnyama noma kubomvu.
even if it's dark or blue.
Hayi benithetha nje lenzela
Just
uba
saying,
sazi ukuthi sisempini
so that we may know we are in war.
sifuna inkululeko yethu.
We want our freedom.
Ukhona napha phakathi uthi ungayifuni inkululeko?
Is there amongst us who does not want this freedom?
Asifuni.
Do you not want the freedom?
Nanso asithathe.
Let's take it.
Ndiyabulela. Bulela
thank you.
kakhulu.
I thank you
Benifuna
very
nje
much.
ukusho lokho
I
namhlanje.
wanted to just say that
Ngingasho
today
into eziningi.
and not say many things.
Leyo nje ukuthi
That
ngoku
now
indlu emnyama
black
iyahlangana.
community is uniting.
Nabekade bengaboni bayabona
Even
manje.
those who did not
Ukuthi
see
ixesha
now see
lifikile
that time has come
lokukhuleka umuntu omnyama.
for the freedom of the black man.
Singathi siba ngaka soyiswe ukuvota nje ukuwina ngokuvota.
Can't we win by voting as
Kanti
much
ngabe
as we
singabantu
are?
abanjani?
What kind of people would we be?
Thini bafondini? Thini? Hayi ke ndiyazi ukuthi isiXhosa sami sesalimala ndandinaso kudala.
I used to have a
Kodwa
bit of
ndinivile.
Xhosa, but it's depleted now.
Siyabulela baba kwethu.
We thank you.
Ngivuyela nje
We
ukuthi
thank
ngibe
you very
khona la. Ngixolisa ukuba ndifike late.
I'm glad to be
Kodwa
here and apologize
ngivuya
for
ukuthi
being late,
inkonzo
but I'm happy
nansi
that the church is here.
ndiyabulela kakhulu.
I thank you very much.
Asibeni munye.
Let us be united.
Asihlanganeni nje
Let
emnyama.
us come together.
Ixesha
The black
lifikile.
community. Time has come.
Asicelele wonke umuntu
Let's
ukuthi
tell
ixesha
everybody
lifikile.
that time has come
Ndiyabulela.
Sibonge kakhulu
and give thanks
inkokheli le yethu umhlonitshwa wesizwe
To our leader.
uPresident uGedlehlekisa Jacob Zuma.
former President Gedleyisekisa Zuma.
Siyamcela uThixo
We
ngawe
ask God about you,
akugcine
that He keeps you
akwandisele insuku zokuphila phezulu
and
kwalomhlaba.
extend your days on this earth
Ude uyibone lento oyilwelayo phezulu komhlaba.
till you realize what you're fighting for on this land.
Siyamcela uThixo
We ask God
angasisuseli wena kulomhlaba.
that He does not remove you from this earth,
Asinike wena usikhokhele
that He gives us yourself to lead us
njengoba usikhokhele.
as you are leading us.
Siyamcela uThixo
We are asking God
ukuba izwe lethu
that our land
libuye.
come back.
Ukuba ngaba sithi sinenkululeko ilizwe sinalo
If we say have
siyadlala.
freedom but we have no land, we are playing.
Eli lizwe
This land
salinikezwa nguThixo.
was given to us by God,
Wathi sawuphila ngazo zonke into ezingaphansi kwalo.
and He said would live through its resources.
Eli
mineral
lizwe
resources.
liyinsikelelo yethu.
This country is our blessing.
Asinawulamba eli lizwe
We may not
likhona.
starve in the presence of this land.
Kufuneka nikhumbule lento.
You need to remember this.
uThixo zangahamba eKanana yolwa nabantu baseKanana.
God never went to Canaan to fight with the people there,
Kuba ilizwe ilelamasrayeli.
because the Canaan belonged to
Wathi
the
makahambe
Israelites.
wona amasrayeli ayolwa.
He said to the Israelites, they must go themselves and fight.
Nathi uThixo akazuthi ayolwa nabelungu.
God will not go and fight with
Sithi
the white
abantu
people.
abazawuhamba
We
bayolwa.
are the ones who will go and
Balwele
fight
toni izwe lethu.
and fight for our own land.
Ukuba ke asemva uThixo
If we do not hear God,
sizawulibala lemfekethe yokuvota sohlukene.
we'll keep voting in separation.
Masivote ndawonye.
Let's vote in one place.
Ukuba uthi ngumKristu,
If you are a Christian,
ungumKristu onjani?
what kind of a Christian
Lo
are you?
bathi abantwana bakaKristu bawukhala
Whom
ungeva
when
wena.
people of Christ
Uba
cry, you do not hear.
ungumKristu,
If you are a
masivote ndawonye.
Christian, let's vote together.
Ukuba ungumntwana kaThixo,
If you are a child of God,
noba uyayiphi inkolo,
it doesn't matter which religion you
Masivote
subscribe to.
ndawonye.
Let us vote
ngoba
together.
munye ubaba
For
wethu.
there is only one Father.
Sinobaba oyi-one
We have only one Father
owasidalayo.
who created us.
Asivote
Let us
ndawonye.
vote in one place.
Hi, my name is Nkateko Mkhabela, the National Coordinator of the Contosusa Youth League. Today, we joined the 12 apostles here at their church services alongside our President Jacob Zuma, national officials as well, the Youth League and the Women's League. Ours is simply to say as young people of Contosusa Party that we have taken guide and principle from our elders and are connecting and united against the disparaging acts of this current government of them not delivering to the people of this country. The leagues, be it the Youth League of Contosusa Party and that of the ATM, have kanganat. We're all one and all together and are collaborating in whatever we're doing. We look forward to creating more and most importantly for us to vote together. Gwaza Mkhonto Gwaza.
Commanders morning, my name is Mbali Seisana, the MKSM National Convener. A mandate has been given by our commanders to say that they are unifying with ATM. So as students, let us form a unity and an alliance to fight for student issues and be there for students, to be the loudest voice in these institutions because our students are continuously oppressed and we are not free even in our institutions. Let us fight as ATM and MK.
Mulweni, my name is Makosa Zanatlisamzi. I'm the tastic member of African Transformation Movement, ATSM in short. For me, I'd say we have to align as the resolution have been taken by our both mother bodies. Now that we know that mandate is clear, that we have to align, continue working, working as strategic alliances, advocating for student rights within the institution of higher learning, and making sure that be it students who are academically excluded, who don't have residence, we are there to help as MKSM and ATSM.
To all our students, we are giving now the direction from the national now. Let us all unite as MKSM and ATSM. From provinces, from national, province, branches. Let us work together. Let us win SRC elections. Let us campaign together. Let us form this unity and be the strongest voices.
It has been an amazing weekend, an epic weekend. Holibet, Bahlangene, they still emphasizing on the unity. So it's therefore meaning that Tina, as Ulucha, on the grounds, we must be united, C7s, and implement whatever they said to us. So with that, it means Kopano Kimatla, Kopano is love, Kopano is God, Kopano is love. So we have to learn and work with one another. Amandla, away to peace in our land, peace in our lifetime.